What do AI, 10-minute deliveries, and smart fridges have in common? They're reshaping the way the world shops for groceries and unlocking one of 2025's hottest business opportunities. The global online grocery market is projected to reach $1.3 trillion this year. And in regions like the Middle East and Southeast Asia, usage of grocery delivery apps has grown by 40%, plus in just the past 12 months. Welcome to the grocery tech boom. But the question is it just a trend or the next big business move? Let's find out now. Today, consumers expect groceries to arrive just like food delivery, fast, seamless, and personalized. Here's why grocery delivery apps are exploding in 2025. AI-powered smart carts. Apps now recommend groceries based on your diet, past purchases, and household size. No longer have to forget the eggs. 10 to 15-minute deliveries. Thanks to micro-fulfillment centers and route-optimized fleets, ultra-fast delivery is becoming the norm in major cities. Smart kitchen integration. Fridges that reorder items. Voice assistants that add to your cart. Your kitchen is becoming your personal shopper. Eco-conscious features. From local sourcing to reusable packaging, sustainability is no longer optional. It's a competitive edge. So, what does this mean for entrepreneurs and businesses? The answer is that it's a big business move and a big trend. There's still massive room for innovation. Niche grocery platforms, organic only, budget-friendly, regional, or diet-specific, are scaling fast with the right tech. The key behind this growth is smart tech, seamless UX, efficient logistics, and a reliable tech partner. In today's digital landscape, where everything can be sold online, investing in cutting-edge app development and tapping into high-growth markets isn't just smart, it's essential for staying ahead and scaling successfully. At Quickworks, we help visionary brands and startups build next-gen grocery delivery solutions, from AI-powered apps to real-time fleet tracking and custom dashboards, quickly and cost-effectively. Want to build your own grocery delivery platform? Click the link in the description for a free consultation now. Would you let an app restock your fridge automatically? Quickworks is powering the future of grocery delivery, and the future is now.